do you make a distinction between voice and point of view, and how, if they're separate, how do they connect up?
So, well, as far as point of view, I think that that's something that's a bigger element. The voice is literally vocabulary, tone, and cadence. Mm-hmm. It's the verbal identity of a brand's personality. I would say that point of view gears more toward personality. And I think one of the biggest problems that brands create, especially if you work with a brand strategist, what they very often do is they create a brand personality with the idea that it's a brand voice. And it's not. Like, for instance, one of the examples that I use is friendly. Everyone says they want their brand to be friendly.
Yep.
The average person has about 600 people that they're friends with on Facebook. They all sound different. They're all your friends. They're all friendly in some way or another.
Yeah.
Pick one. And then let's identify what that is. Even if you cut it in half, even if you say 300 people, let's say you have 300 friends. Cool. So they're all friendly in some way or another. How's a writer supposed to identify what it is? Mm-hmm. With a designer, they come in and like, oh, here's your color. They're not saying your color is red. They're saying it's like Pantone color 61248. I don't know the colors. They're giving you the exact CMYK colors. Mm-hmm. So your designer can get it exactly right. With writers, they're basically saying write in the color blue.
Well, yeah.
Light blue, dark blue, light blue, baby blue, sky blue. There's more than 300 different shades of blue.
Yeah.
I need to know exactly which one you want.
That is an excellent analogy.